Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a video just because I'm bored. So basically, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows and my lashes. I'll probably do another video today, cleaning my room. If y'all wanna watch that, let me know. But right now, I'm about to just do my eyelashes and my eyebrows. And yes, I look a mess. Like, come on, like just stop. I know I look a mess. It's right though. That's the point of this video. We about to get cute real quick. So.
Out in the open, like my heart was.
I don't get why this little girl calls me to do it. I don't get it. I don't.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass.
Yo, boo, I can't hear you. Alright, chat. I had to do a little couple of things real quick, but I tried to put some in the bottom, but they was too long. I didn't like the look, so I took it off, and now there's glue residue, so that's why I look like that. But I'm gonna take it off with this. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. Let me see. This is lash remover, so hopefully. This is my first time using this. The lash remover. I don't think it's gonna work right now. Whatever. We'll finish that later. Now I'm gonna do this side. I used 3/18 on this one on the outer corner, and then 10, 10, 10. So 6 altogether. Yeah, I just did it like this. I don't want nothing too extra. But I'm using two different lash kits actually. I'm using this one and then this one. They're all from TikTok. So yeah. So for the outer corner, I'm using this one, size 18. I feel like I have a hair. I want to eat seafood. Well, shrimp. I think I'm gonna just make some shrimp with probably corn and potatoes. Maybe noodles too. Who knows? Then you just overlap them a little bit. Now we're gonna use the other kit and start moving in. I don't have no more 10s with that one. I was supposed to use 2 more, I think. I probably just used that one. I don't know. I'm gonna use 2 different ones and let's see if you see a difference. I don't know. Yeah, you could see the difference. I'm getting annoyed. I'm gonna just add another layer and just add different ones. That's what happens when you run out. They kind of look different, but it doesn't look bad. I don't know how I'm feeling about it, but I don't have time to, you know. I think I kind of messed it up by adding. But that's only because I ran out. So I don't know, dude. How y'all feel about it? I don't know. I mean, the difference don't really look too bad. Now we're gonna seal. That's irritating me a little bit, but whatever. I'm done here. This is it, guys. I didn't do much. I just did my eyebrows and my lashes. That was pretty much it. It was, and I have to tend to the baby, so I'm gonna have to finish. I mean, I'm gonna have to do another video pretty soon. But I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know how long this video was, but hey. And I'm gonna see you on the next one.